Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So let's take a look at what to be expecting on our Euro GBP. If you are yet to subscribe and you've not done that, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make a comment. So if you take a look at this on our daily time frame, we are literally ranging within this level. I will be giving you guys the full breakdown. We will also be going live every week. So guys, that is if you join the membership. So if you are interested, all you just have to do is go to the channel, right? Join the membership. You will be getting the weekly live. You'll be going weekly live with us, and also the full in-depth breakdown of what would be happening on our forex pair. Now, this movement here, we literally had a rejection from here, which is our resistance. Market dropped from our resistance down to our support. Then it gave us that bullish move to tap our resistance, came back to our support. It eventually gave us that bullish move. And now we've seen this drop. We would expect that drop to come to tap this our support level. So above all, our target on Euro GBP is to the downside. So we had this drop, pullback phase, drop, a pullback phase. We will be expecting a drop for this week. So our forecast on our bias on Euro GBP for this week would be a sell.